In this video, I will show you how to get marble in LEGO Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. Now, in order to do this, you do need a level 2 pickaxe or higher, so make sure of course that you have updated your crafting bench and go ahead and build a level 2 or higher pickaxe. So once that's done, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and find a cave. Now, to go ahead and find a cave, what you want to do in the grasslands is look for something that looks like a turtle shell. So you can see we've got a cave here, and if you come up above, you can see this does actually look like a turtle shell. So what you want to do once you've located your cave is come to the entrance. So I'm just going to come down here, and you can see the entrance is here. Then go ahead and press square to enter into the cave. So once you're in the cave, the next thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and start looking for marble. So to actually obtain marble, it's really easy. All you need to do is come up to these rocks, like this one here for example, and just use your pickaxe to start mining at the rocks. Now eventually what's going to happen is the rock is going to break, and from here, as you can see, I've obtained marble. So again, if I come up to this one and I start mining away and using my pickaxe on this rock, you will see that the marble drops out, so you can just go ahead and collect it that way. So that is how to go ahead and get marble in LEGO Fortnite. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.